Hi guys, I'm very excited to open this package that I ordered. It's not for me, but it's something that I really want for myself as well. So let's open this up. Okay. Ouch! It's crazy. The box is big, but I suspect, yeah. So this is the box, and this is the thing that I ordered. Do you see? So this is not mine. This is for our nephews, but I really want this myself. I'm going to open this and check it out just in case something's wrong with it, because I have to ship this. So this is actually the Dalstrong chef's knife. It's the Shogun series. So yeah, I've bought a cleaver from them before, and it was really funny because I expected something that's like 7 inches or at least 6 inches, and it was like this small, 4 inches. I'll see if I can find that video and I'll insert it. So, yep, it's already open, but this is magnetic, guys. Do you see that? So this is what's inside. They have this pin, and then they have a brochure and care instructions for your knife, which is nice. Looks like that. And then this is, sorry. So basically it tells you the different knives that they have, and yeah, care and use as well, and what lines of knives they do have. This is the cleaning towel. So that's really nice. It's packed in. So it's a nice packet there, or envelope, or whatever you call that. So, and let's see. Let's remove those, and so this is the knife. This is velvet here, and it's resting properly there and secure. So, and this, what do you call this? This cover does not just fall off. It's because of this one. So you have this thing here. You have to pull, and then that's to open it up. And that's the knife. It's pretty, right? Gosh, I love it. And it's really sharp. So this is, if I'm not mistaken, this is the folded metal, and yeah, the quality is really nice. It has a good hefty weight to it. This back portion here is kind of a little bit thick, but it's really done nicely. It's the way they sharpened it is really nice. Yeah, so as you can see, they started it here to make it really sharp on the edge. Oh, I love it. I want to buy one for myself, but not right now. I mean, guys, this is not cheap, but in comparison to other brands, this is actually on the cheaper side. This is, of course, made in China, but it's a Canadian brand, and they're not like doing, it's not they kind of pride themselves for being good quality. So with Chinese products, not everything is just, cheap and things like that. Chinese made products can be really good as well. It's just a matter of, you know, paying the price. So if you want something cheap and disposable, they can do that, and then it's dirt ass cheap. But if you also want something of better quality, then you just have to pay a little bit more. And of course, they can make you good quality items. And I would say this is one of those. And the cleaver that I have, it's my sister has it because I got it shipped to the Philippines, and she likes it. So yeah, she kept it. Let's see.